start the Rev exercise. Clasp your hands together, stretch your arms in front of your chest, palms outward. Lower your head through your arms and stretch. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotate your shoulders and relax. Fold your arms behind your back, bringing the shoulder blades together and stretch. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotate your shoulders and relax. Hold the backrest of your chair with both hands and place your left foot forward and the other behind. Lean forward. Now switch to the other foot and stretch the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch to the other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotate your ankles and relax. Stand with your legs slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Hold the backrest of your chair with both hands and lean forward. Again. Keep your back straight. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotate your shoulders, waist, and your ankles. Relax. This concludes the Rev exercise. Let's make today another healthy and revved up day.